Hey guys, I'm back with a member of our bowling team.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm the Timber Creek captain of the bowling team, and the bowling team is important to me because I believe it's a really good way to make friends, and you don't have to have any experience, and our coaches are all Hall of Famers of the Bowlers Association, and they're really talented, and it's really fun.
What do y'all participate in any competitions in the bowling team? Like a district league?
Yes, every week we have practice on Mondays for all of the schools. And then on Tuesdays we have varsity competition, and that goes from 4:30 to 5:30. And then on Wednesdays we have JV competition, which also goes from 4:30 to 5:30. And then we also do outside of school competitions sometimes, and that would be paid with your own money. So it's just personal. And then in the spring, if we make it to regionals, we compete in that, usually in Austin or San Antonio. And then if we advance to states, we go to San Antonio, I think. Yeah.
That sounds fun. Any opportunities that the bowling team has, for the students that are a part of it?
What do you mean?
Kind of like scholarships for clubs, service hours, stuff like that.
You are eligible to get bowling scholarships, especially for girls. Girls usually get bigger scholarships than guys do. But yeah, and scholarships are pretty good.
All right, that's our bowling team, guys.